Nessa Sunshine here, and today we're getting into the ABH Jackie Aina palette. This palette is beautiful. I've only used it one time. I can't even believe it. What I'm going to do today is this purple eye look, but I'm not only using this palette, I'm using a LA Girl glitter and a Huda Beauty metallic liquid eyeshadow. So I will be adding that to this. So it's not just this palette to get this look. I thought I should let you guys know. But yeah, so if you do want to see this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in the tutorial. So the first shade I'm going to get into is Big Wig, and I'm going to use the Precision Soft Crease brush from Nabla, and I'm going to swipe in the outer corner. I'm going to swipe with the very tip of the brush from the center of the crease, and I'm going to move down in swiper motions, going back and forth and moving forward. And I'm going to continue to do that same motion, brushing it outwardly. My brush is a little wonky, so I feel like I have to hold it weird. This is such a soft brush though, so I'm just being very gentle, and I'm brushing forward onto the above crease area of my eyelid. And I'm just brushing it out from the center to the outer corner. I'm continuing to build Big Wig in the outer corner and brushing out. Now with the tip of my brush, I'm going to start to sort of flare it up in this outer corner, up toward my brow, like so. I'm going to take more of Big Wig into the middle of the crease, above the crease area. I'm taking the tip of my brush and holding it very gently toward my face like a paintbrush, and moving in swiper motions, back and forth motions at the very top, and blending back and forth. And then I'm blending it out at the top with a tippy pointed part of the brush and blending it up and out. So see the shape that I'm creating? So I just did this by slowly swiping out from the outer corner above the crease area into the inner corner, and then the more I want this color to show, the more I continue to add. I'm going to take the tip of the brush and brush out in this outer corner to connect what's happening. Yeah, I'm taking more, and I'm pressing the very tip and blending it. I'm like pressing it and then blending it out. Press, blend out. So next we're going to go ahead and cut our shadow with the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal with the metal side of Diamond Drip. And I'm going to start in the middle by looking up straight forward, and then I will go from there and move out and then move in, and then I'll look down and I'll start to apply the middle part of this liquid shadow all over. And yeah, I've cut the crease, and I'll do the same thing to the other side. So it's time to go into our shimmer shade Shookington, and I'm going to be using the Colourpop E21 brush. So I'm going to take my NYX Bear With Me spray and spray my brush after I have my shimmer on, just so that the shimmers don't fall everywhere, just because it is a fluffier pencil brush. So with fluffier brushes, if I use a blending brush, a pencil brush, I do like to spray the shimmer, because I do like to go in the shimmer real good. Okay, so I'm just going to add this to the outer corner of the eye first, or outer third, before the matte. So here's the matte shade on that third of the eye. I guess it's in the center. I'm adding this in the center of the eye. I'm going to take more, tap off the excess. I'm not spraying again, just because if I spray again, it will be like too moist. And then I'll go ahead and add more of Shookington kind of all over. After applying Shookington, I'm just going to brush Big Wig into it. Holding my brush like a paintbrush toward my face, taking more of Big Wig and brushing it toward Shookington. And then what I'll do is add Shookington and a little bit of Big Wig to the other side, and then we'll get into Soleil. I hope Soleil. Is it Soleil? Oh Lord have mercy. That's the next shadow we'll be getting into. And the Colourpop E19 brush. NYX spray, Bear With Me spray. And then what I'll do from there is take this into the inner corner to brighten up. Wow, that really brightened up way more than I was expecting. So what I'll do is go back into my pencil brush and sort of diffuse the whatever was left onto my pencil brush into this brighter shadow. I like to have the diffusion of the bright color. I would suggest, if you are following along with this and you want to brighten up your inner corner but not that much, well, just use a little tiny bit of that, because I guess, I don't know why, but I think that word means the sun, and it's very sunshiny. Next, I'll be using this glitter from LA Girl and Party Girl. What I'm going to do is just take my handy dandy finger and I'm going to pop this on to the outer corner. Go ahead and pop glitter on if you want to, or you can completely skip this step. And I'm going to be popping on the Drama Lashes from Petite Cosmetics. So these are Luxe Faux Mink Lashes, and yeah, I'm gonna pop those on, and then we'll have a Makeup Miracle moment, come back, and then finish off this look. So, et voila, Makeup Miracle moment. So we have almost everything on. Let's finish the lower lash line with Big Wig, and I'm gonna use the Nabla Soft Dab and Smudge brush. I'm also gonna spray my brush with the NYX Bear With Me spray, because I'm putting it on the lower lashes. I want it to stick. Softly dab and smudge. So go ahead and add Big Wig to the other side if you're following along, and then I will put on mascara. For mascara today, I'm using the Nabla Major Pleasure Mascara. For lips today, I'm going into the Nabla Velvet Line Liner in Closer and the lipstick in Chloe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial using the Jackie Aina palette. This palette is so pretty. It works so wonderfully. I hope you did enjoy. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already, and comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. If you do want to see more palette tutorials, I kind of have been saying this in my last few videos. Right now I'm kind of like on a purple kick, but yeah, is there anything that you guys want to see? More palettes, like old palettes that have already come out. There's certain brands that I use a lot. If you can't tell, we have a lot of ABH, Colourpop. I do like Pat McGrath a lot. I don't have all of her palettes. I have a few. I also have a lot of, yeah, oh, Huda Beauty, lots of Huda Beauty palettes. Let me know down below if there are any particular palettes or particular types of videos you would like to see, like favorites, technique videos, Sunshine Academy videos. Let me know down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye now.